Hey everyone, so I'm starting off with probably like a number 1.5 guard, just really cleaning up the sides and the back. And he has, kind of somewhat of a receding hairline and thinner hair in the front. And the goal of this was to really taper down the sides and to create some thickness and volume on top. So if you have fine hair, don't be afraid to get a shorter haircut because you can actually add more volume and texture throughout the whole thing. And all I'm doing is really just creating an even balanced shape, leaving some length slightly longer in the front. But even on finer hair, I'm going in with a razor. And that's just going to create some added texture and volume to it, especially in combination with using the right products like Tidal Wave. You can even use my crafted matte paste, or even a sea salt paste. I would suggest like the crafted matte paste or even my product talc, which is gonna help bind the hair together and create some volume. But I'm going in there. Who would do this to fine hair or receding hair? But you can do it. And as you can see, he really likes it. He looks incredible. This is something that I think, don't be afraid to get a shorter haircut if you're not sure what to do. Yeah, you may see some of the corners a little bit, but you're better off doing a more stylish, trendy haircut than having a hairstyle that is going to actually, not complement your hair and you're actually looking like you're trying to hide maybe your thinning hair or receding hairline. So if you are interested in purchasing any of my products, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.